What is RAG? It is the architecture behind every chat with your Docs app, every AI search bar, every enterprise AI assistant. In 2 minutes, what RAG is, why your LLM needs it, and how it stops the hallucinations. First, the problem. A raw LLM only knows what it was trained on. Ask it about your company's product, it guesses. Ask it about a document from last week, it makes things up. We call this hallucination. Easiest way to think about RAG, a smart librarian. Before answering your question, the librarian runs to the shelves, pulls the right book, reads the page, then answers, with the page open in front of them. RAG, 3 letters, 3 steps, retrieve, augment, generate. Step 1, retrieve. You take the user's question. You search a database of your own documents. You pull the most relevant chunks, 5 paragraphs, 10 paragraphs, whatever fits. How does it search? Not by keywords, by meaning. Every chunk of text gets turned into a vector. A list of numbers, similar meanings sit close together, stored in a vector database. Pinecone, Weaviate, pgvector. Step 2, augment. You take those retrieved chunks and you paste them right into the prompt, just before the user's question. Now the LLM has the source material open in front of it. Step 3, generate. The LLM reads the chunks, answers the question. Using the text, you just handed it, no guessing, no hallucinating. The answer is grounded. When to use RAG, anywhere the answer lives in documents the LLM has not seen. Internal wikis, customer support, legal contracts, research papers. When not, for tasks that need new skills. Use fine-tuning for that. So that is RAG retrieve, augment, generate. A smart librarian for your LLM, the reason every modern AI app can answer questions about your data without hallucinating. From zero, one tech basic, explained from scratch every week. Subscribe for the next lesson.